Okay, so talked about home performance before, ductwork, leaking, some energy efficiency. You can, through switches, outlets, things on the wall, have air leaks where it can suck through on there. Simple test like this. We don't see the incense smoke being drawn in. That's a good thing, because if it's not being drawn in there, not being pulled in there, it's not sucking air from this area out through anywhere else in the house. Now, there's a twofold test to this portion. This is with the blower off on the furnace. Well, if we change air pressures, we change dynamics. Let's see what happens here. Blower's kicked on. What I'd want to see now with a return in this room, do we have any air being sucked through? I don't see any air getting sucked through. Well, let's change dynamics a little more. With the air room being sealed, I don't see any smoke severely trying to get away, so this plate's pretty sealed up there. There's not a whole lot of leaking going on. That means it's doing pretty good. We'll give it one of those. Don't forget to like and subscribe.